Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to categorize pages and posts on your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click the login button. We're already logged in, so that's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. To categorize your pages and posts, you're going to go to the website button. And we're going to be using these two tabs, pages and posts, right here. These are all the other editing tools that we have separate webinars on. We're going to be working with those two, pages and posts. Let's look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website that we're working with. You'll notice on the home page here, we don't have any posts attached to the home page. But look at our blog page, and you'll see that we have all of our posts attached to our blog page, including those three. And then on our pictures page, we already have this categorized. So on pictures, we have these categorized. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a couple new pages, and we're going to show you how to categorize the pages and posts. So first, let's go back here to our blog. Let's look at this blog post that we created for today's webinar. And it's how to categorize pages and posts for your websites. A couple reasons to have blog posts only show on certain pages, or to have specific posts show on specific pages. So I just said the same thing, but just said it differently. Those are the reasons. And then we have a couple different steps. First of all, you have to categorize your post. Here's the written instructions. You have to categorize your page. Here's the written instructions. To find these written instructions, visit our help site, help.dataczar.com, click on Website Help, and look for this webinar. So let's tab back over. And we started off on dashboard when we logged in, and we went to the website button. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to categorize some posts. So let's click on our posts here. And let's go ahead and categorize this post that we just looked at. Categorize pages and posts for your website. So we click the edit button off to the right. And then under category, there's a drop down. It's blank right now. We already categorized benefits, hiking, and pictures. We have those three categories already. Now we could create a new category, and we could call it webinar, for example. But we're not going to do that. What we're going to do for this is we're going to go ahead and just use the benefits category. And then so we categorize this post as benefits. Scroll down and click update. And it's as simple as that. Click back on posts. Now, domain hosting, website building, email marketing, another one of our webinars. Let's edit that. We're going to click the drop down. We're also going to label that as benefits and scroll down and click update. And then one more, post. Okay, so bridge to nowhere, bungee jumping. This is, by the way, a fantastic hike. So we're going to click the edit button here, edit icon, and then we're going to go ahead and categorize this one as hiking. And scroll down, click update. And then real quick on posts one more time. We already have some of these categorized. Like all of our pictures we already have categorized. This one's under the pictures. You can either hit the edit button here, or there's a drop down. You can click edit here. So that's already categorized as pictures. So that's how you categorize your posts. Now you have to categorize the pages to match the categories of the posts. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to pages. And you'll notice on the home index page, we'll click the edit icon. And again, you can find it on the drop down, but we're going to click the edit icon here on home index. And if you scroll down to the bottom of our home index page, all the way down to the bottom, we don't have any posts included. So that's why the posts don't show on the home index page. So we'll click on pages. And then on blog, if you click the edit and you scroll down on the blog, we have include posts, filter by category, and we have all posts. So that's why all the posts are shown on our blog page. Go back to pages. And then on pictures, again, I showed you that we categorized the posts as some posts as pictures. So you click the edit button. You scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you have pictures. We have this filtered by pictures. And we don't need to click update because we didn't make any changes. So let's create a couple more pages. First of all, create a blank page. We're going to title this Webinar. How about webinars? And we're going to go ahead in the edit box, just go ahead and put the title in here. And we're just going to center that bold. Just do this. And then this is the part I want to show you. We're going to check Include Posts, and we're going to filter by benefits. So the webinar posts that we labeled as benefits are now going to show on this webinars page that we're labeling as benefits. We're going to create the page. Let's do one more. Go back to Pages. And we're going to create blank page here. Just click on this. We're going to label this one Hiking. So we want all of our hiking posts to show here. And again, in the editing box, let's just put a title on the page. We'll center it. We'll go bold 18. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to include posts. And we're going to filter this. We already have the category. We already categorized some of our posts as hiking, so it's going to show up here as hiking. So whenever you add a category to a post, it's going to automatically show here. So we'll just match it up. Hiking. We'll click Create. And now we've categorized all of our pages. We've categorized all of our posts. Let's do this too. These two pages that we just created, the webinars page, we're going to move this all the way up below pictures. Actually above pictures. And then the hiking page, we're going to move this above pictures. Okay, so now we're set. Let's go back to our website and let's refresh the page. And there it is. So now we have our new pages. We added our webinars and our hiking. You'll notice on the home page, we don't have any posts. On the blog page, I showed you this earlier, we have all of our posts. We just created, whoops, let me refresh again. Just have it cached so it's not showing. Okay, so our home page, our blog page, then the webinars page we just created. We have these two posts on our webinars page because we categorized these two as webinar. And then on our hiking page, we have a lot of posts on our hiking page because we already had some of them already categorized, but these are all the posts that we have on our hiking page. And that's pretty much it. That's how to categorize your pages and posts. And let's go back to Connect and let's look at the help button real quick. If you're just getting started, featured tutorial videos is a really good place to go. Watch the first 2 or 3 featured tutorial videos. The Help Center is also a good place to go. Click on Help Center. It's going to take you to help.dataczar.com. And you're going to find this tutorial under Website Help, Categorize Pages and Posts, probably down here somewhere. So let's tab over and go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to categorize pages and posts on your website with Dataczar Connect.